Okay, it's kind of early in the morning and very loud because I'm just gonna show you the waves. The waves literally are crazy. I'm not gonna go boogie boarding today. I'm gonna be scared if I boogie board. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera. Just look at that. Oh my god. They're huge. I'm probably gonna die. Actually, probably not. I should be fine. But me and Austin are going to go find seashells this morning. Here he is, Austin, the seashell finder.
Yep.
And Michael's the sand dollar finder. Once we get the kayak, then there will be millions and millions of sand dollars. Everybody's still asleep. Austin, slide. Okay. See you when we get down to the beach. Okay, we're down at the beach. Very loud because of the waves. Oh, here comes the big one. Yo! You know, I think I'm just gonna step away from... Okay. I'm gonna stay as far away as possible from the waves. Oh. Oscar found a big one. Hey, crab holes! Hey, it's 3 holes. There's another one. There's another one. Another one.
Someone dug a hole. Wait, was this us?
No. Actually, yes. Austin, this is your hole. I almost want to start from there. That's gonna be my starter. Maybe I can start somewhere close to it. Hey! Ah! I think I got stuck by Oh. Not my foot! I'm still on my foot! I was standing on my foot with the foot in the sand and holding an iPad. I feel as if I have a sense of accomplishment. Wow. Wow, that's all I can say. That is a very good hole.
There's a piece of it.
Whoa! That's a huge one. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording because I don't want to break my iPad. See you when we get more sand. See you when we get more seashells. Okay, and Austin head back. Didn't find really anything kind of big.
Nice outside today, though.
Yeah,
That'll be nice.
yeah. Can't wait to dig our ginormous hole.
Yeah.
And also, counting the fact that you can dig a huge hole with just like a little crab hole for your starter. That's insane. Start with one finger, go to 2 fingers, then just all 5 for both hands. It's crazy.
Both hands. Insert.
Actually, it's more like one hand and then both hands. Here's the elevator. Up to the room. See you later when we're back at the beach. Okay. Back to the hotel room. Just gonna have a little bit of breakfast. Be back. Little plate. Not that big of a center. Needs a little plate.
Jeremy enjoys watching the guy set up the chairs and his inefficiency.
Okay. Be back when I'm finished. Okay. I just got back from the pool. So, what you guys all missed was us being down at the beach, us being at the pool, us being down at the beach, then us coming back, then me coming back up here. Then I went down back to the beach, played some games, and then went up to the pool, and then came here. Yay. So, you missed a couple hours, but it was mainly just the same thing. It was me digging a humongous hole. Actually, I'm gonna go out on the balcony and see if I can see it, or find if I can see it. Okay, I can kind of see the hole, but it's not really that visible. It's basically just kind of a little bit of a crater, I guess you would call it. But like, I just now noticed that it's kind of like raining out there. It's really crazy. So, I think I'm gonna go take a shower. It's all crazy from being on the pool. So yeah. See you guys when I finish in the shower. Okay, actually before I go take a shower, if anybody is wondering about yesterday's vlog, the Wi-Fi here, I don't know why, but like all of last night it had the video queued from uploading, so you're probably gonna have 2 videos in one day. And that's only actually, I don't know, but like this isn't our regular Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi has to spread all, actually, okay, so I'm gonna go take a shower, then I'm gonna make kind of a little diagram thing, okay? Okay, so it's a piece of paper. So basically, the Wi-Fi, that's the Wi-Fi box. Just took that building, that's us. Building next to us. Let's share it. I think I'm gonna end this vlog off here. It's been kind of a long day. Kind of a fun one.